Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're in Biloxi, Mississippi, and we're at the Hilton Garden Inn. This is a brand new hotel that just opened in June of 2019. And we're going to give you a tour. This is the lobby and the bar and grill area where they serve complimentary breakfast to Hilton Honors members. Off the bar and grill, they have a terrace where you can sit outside. And you get a little bit of a view of the beach and the parking lot. They have a small convention facility, and they have a well-equipped fitness center, which is right off the lobby on the second floor. Next up, we'll go to the pool, which is out in front of the hotel. They have a lot of lounge chairs out here, and you can see our room up there on the fourth floor, which we'll see in a few minutes. The pool ranges from 3 feet deep to 5 feet deep. And they have a handicap accessible chair that'll lower you into the pool if you can't get in on your own. And we have a view of the beach and Deer Island. So the way this hotel is set up, it's elevated off the ground, and there's parking underneath the hotel on ground level for Honors Diamond members only. And then there's a parking lot outside of the, outside from under the hotel. But you walk into this little area here and get on the elevator. And if you want to go to the lobby, you go up to the second floor. And then all the rooms are in the floors above that. To access the rooms, you have to have a room key. You have to swipe your room key on this little reader, and then it'll let you select your floor. Our room is on the fourth floor. This is just a quick shot of the elevator. Unfortunately, you can't see much. And I apologize to the elevator fans out there. I wish I could do better with the elevator videos. As you get off the elevator, there's a little lobby, and they have an ice machine behind this door. And now we'll make the trek down the hall to room 401. We're all the way in the front of the hotel here. So this is our King Suite, and unlike what I normally do, I'm going to have a quick look around the room before I go and do my regular thing, because you just have to walk in and see this place in order to get a good impression of it. Just to get a general overview. So we start with the usual safety features. We have a peephole. We have the hotel map, and we are right here in the end suite, which overlooks the Gulf of Mexico, or the Mississippi Sound. And this is all the hotel laws. They do not have, maximum room rate $550, we paid $0. We have a latch, an actual mechanical deadbolt, do not disturb sign. Right here to the right as you walk in the door, there's a small closet. And we have an iron up here. We have shelves with drawers. And on this side we have some hangers, and it's the regular type of hangers you can actually take off the rod. We have an ironing board, and we have extra bedding. Now off here to the left, I thought this was another closet, but as you walk down this little hallway, it's a half bath. And in the half bath, we have our usual shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, bath soap. We have a few washcloths, some Kleenex, hand towels and bath towels, and some Neutrogena French milled soap. This is all the stuff you normally find in a full bathroom, and I don't really know why we need shampoo in a half bath that just has a toilet. But if you've got guests in here, you can have them use this bathroom and not the bathroom in the bedroom. So we have this nice living room here. We have a wet bar, 2 bottles of water that are complimentary for diamond, gold, and silver, and $2 for everybody else. Which if you're staying in a Hilton, join the rewards program. It doesn't cost anything, and you hit silver, I think, after 1 stay. We have hot and cold running water. We have a Keurig coffee maker with the little pods, with a couple of regular, decaf, and 2 English breakfasts and stuff to go with it, cups. Down here we have a fridge stocked with Gatorade. It's cold. Under here is just the plumbing for the sink. On this side we have a microwave and a couple of empty drawers. So moving over here, we have a nice work area, desk type thing with a telephone, a couple of power outlets and USB ports. Everything is very well lit, and of course we have the windows open, or the curtains open, so it's very well lit in here right now. Nice large TV mounted on the wall, little table here, air conditioned, little bitty chair, and then this little couch, and it's a fold-out couch. So now we're going to move into the bedroom. And this, by the way, is the thermostat for the air conditioner in the living room, because in the bedroom there's another air conditioner. And that thermostat is right here. A little bench here for the luggage. Another nice big television. Big chair here in the corner. On the end tables we have 2 power outlets and 2 USB ports. And they actually have that on both sides of the bed. That's something we don't see very often. This is a brand new hotel. It's just been open since June. Alarm clock. This is a king size bed, and we have another little closet right here. And they give us lots of hangers. You could bring your whole wardrobe here. And there's actually a luggage rack inside the closet. And a place to plug stuff in. I don't really know what you'd use that for, but maybe if you had something that needed to be recharged. Now we move on into the master bathroom. We have all the same stuff we had in the other bathroom. We have shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, bath soap, washcloths, hand towels, bath towels, a hairdryer. Nice big mirror, lighted. And this tub here is a jetted tub. Then over here in the corner we have a full shower. Check it out. Nice flow in the shower, and it's a multiple selection shower head. And finally in the corner here we have a toilet. So now we'll take a look out the window. So this is our view out of the window, and down below is the swimming pool. And we're looking out onto the Mississippi Sound and the Gulf of Mexico. Right over there is Deer Island, which is just a few hundred yards out. Over here is the Biloxi Small Craft Harbor, and down the road a little bit is the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, and beyond that the Beau Rivage. And being that this is a corner room, you kind of get a side view as well. Although this old Archdiocese tower here is kind of in the way, that's currently being made into a new hotel. They've been working on that since before they even started building the Garden Inn here, and they're still not done with it. But anyway, this concludes our video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment below, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and join us for our next 504 road trip.